Let me ask you something. Would you ever put your hard-earned money into something you don't understand at all? Of course not. But that's exactly what millions are doing with cryptocurrency. Scary, right? Today, I'm breaking it all down. No tech jargon, no hype, just the real deal of how crypto actually works. In just 10 minutes, you'll finally understand what everyone's been pretending to know since 2009. So if you've ever said, "I'll look into it later," well, this is later. Let's go. Let's start with a truth bomb. Traditional money is broken. Inflation, hidden fees, centralized control, the system favors the few, while the rest of us play catch up. That's where cryptocurrency comes in. It's not just internet money, it's a revolution. But what exactly is it? Imagine if your money could text, email, and think for itself. Weird mental image? Good. That means you're paying attention. Cryptocurrency is digital money that lives on a blockchain, a public decentralized record that no one can fake, hack, or manipulate. No government, no middleman, just code, transparency, and trust. But how does all that actually work? Time to go deeper. Part 1, blockchain, the backbone. At the heart of crypto is the blockchain. Think of it like Google Docs, but instead of one person editing, everyone has access and no one can change the past. Each block contains transaction data. Once added, it's sealed with a cryptographic lock and chained to the block before it. That's how the name came, blockchain. And this structure, it's not just secure, it's what makes trustless trust possible. Sounds confusing? Let's make it real. Part 2, how crypto moves, wallets, and transactions. When you send crypto, you're not moving a coin. You're signing a digital message, hi, like a secret handshake, using your private key. Yes, private key. Not your house key. Not your car key. Not the key to your crush's heart. Although that would be nice. Your wallet stores that key. It proves ownership of your coins. And if you lose it, well, no password reset button. Crypto doesn't do forgot password. Scary, a bit, but that's the price of complete control. Part 3, why it works. The power of decentralization. Most systems have a central point, banks, servers, even governments. But crypto? It's peer-to-peer. That means millions of computers, aka nodes, confirm every transaction together. There's no CEO of Bitcoin, no hotline, no shutdown switch. That's why it survived crashes, bans, and media attacks. In a world where trust is broken, crypto offers mathematical certainty. That's not just powerful, that's liberating. Now you know the how, but here's the why that gives it real meaning. Crypto gives you access. It gives the unbanked a bank. It gives control back to people, not corporations. This isn't just about getting rich. It's about rewriting the rules. Whether you're investing, building, or just curious, you're early. But what powers all of this behind the scenes? What keeps the blockchain alive 24/7? It's something called crypto mining. And that is where things get wild. If this video lit a spark in your brain, you have to watch my next one. What is crypto mining and how does it work? Step-by-step guide. It's where the magic really starts. Tap it now before you forget. And hey, if you found value here, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your favorite takeaway. I'm building Cryptstick for people like you, curious, smart, and ready for the future. See you in the next one.